The diverse areas and districts that make up the city of Tulsa each have something special to offer the locals. 5 micro-districts, the Arts District, Blue Dome, Deco, East Village and Grandwood District, are established inside the downtown area. The Tulsa Arts District is renowned for its arts, music and wonderful outdoor activities. Food Truck Wednesday, when local food trucks congregate about 11 a.m. so that people can grab a bite to eat and take advantage of the lovely outside weather during their lunch break, is one of the weekly highlights of the Arts District. Additionally, you should block out every first Friday of the month on your calendar so you may go to the First Friday Art Crawl. The Blue Dome Zone, sometimes referred to as the Entertainment District, is where you can find a number of pubs, restaurants, stores, and places to go out at night. Pizza by the slice, rooftop beverages with city views, and classic events like the Mardi Gras Parade are reasons alone to visit. Tulsa can be explored on foot, by car, bicycle, scooter, or any combination of these. There is so much to see whether you decide to be your own tour guide or take advantage of one of the guided excursions provided by a local business. There are several lodging options in Tulsa to suit every need and price range. Whether privacy or views of the city skyline are more your style, Tulsa hotels exist in every size, shape and design, from high-rise to boutique. Numerous hotels have amenities for pets, indoor pools, or on-site spas. Choose your favorite, raise your feet and unwind. There is always something fun and exciting going on in Tulsa, regardless of the time of year you plan to visit. In addition to the several annual events that the community looks forward to, there are other one-time events that are planned and produced by small regional businesses. Don't forget to check local websites for finding them. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. T-Town, a music hotbed that gave birth to its own genre, the Tulsa Sound, is jam-packed with events all year long. Attend a performance at the renowned Bogue Center or the storied Keynes Ballroom. Or check out sites focused on music like the illustrious Church Studio. Pose in front of one of the numerous murals throughout the city for your upcoming Instagram picture. End your trip with a performance at the Tulsa Performing Arts Center of the renowned Tulsa Ballet, the magnificent Tulsa Opera, or any of the Broadway shows. When you're in Tulsa, great food is never far away. Visitors can take advantage of the exciting restaurant and nightlife scene, which features mouth-watering cuisines and is frequently accompanied by live music. Eat delicate Spanish tapas at Restaurant Basque in the Tulsa Art District while listening to live music, or treat yourself to a mouth-watering steak at Fleming's Prime Steakhouse and Wine Bar in Utica Square. Fantastic fusion food is simple to find at restaurants like Mr. Nice Guy, Desi Oak or Lone Wolf Banh Mi. Genuine cuisine lovers will adore the vibrant flavors of discoveries like Pho Nhi or El Rio Verde. There are no restrictions when you're a Tulsa time resident. Tulsa has 4 different seasons and 227 sunny days on average per year, making any time of year a great time to come.